What's up, meatheads? Coach MANdler here, Team Swole Patrol. In today's video, I want to share with you two of the biggest mistakes I see a lot of guys making with, in all reality, one of the most popular lower body exercises that I see so many doing inside the gym. I'm talking, of course, about the barbell walking lunge. Now, typically most guys will do this right after, let's say, a squat or a deadlift, and the two major problems I see have to do with misalignment of the joints, all right? So their joints aren't being stacked, and because of that, they're experiencing a lot of the power leaks that reduce the quality of the strength and size gains they could be getting. And also, they're experiencing a lot of the thoracic flexion that leads to them collapsing their upper body. That tells me that they're not fastening their upper body to their lower body and not making it that powerful synergistic movement that it ought to be. So what I'm going to do with this quick tutorial is show you exactly what I'm talking about with the two most common mistakes, tell you exactly what's going to happen if you're not careful, and also give you the simple fix that will help you immediately alleviate any of the possible pain that you might be facing whenever making these two mistakes, as well as how you can instantly put yourself in better position for overall just better, faster, and most importantly, more pain-free gains with your size, strength, and muscularity whenever you incorporate this in after, let's say, your squat or your deadlift. So let's get this going. Make sure you make these two fixes, and I can promise you, you're going to be pleased with the gains that you make. So there you have it. Fix number one is proper joint alignment so you don't experience any power leaks or any possible patella tendon pain. And fix number two is going to be proper core engagement so you don't experience any of that thoracic flexion and can get your upper body and your lower body on the same page so you'll move more powerfully and synergistically as one cohesive unit. Hopefully this quick tutorial and the couple tips that I threw in there helped. If you still have a couple questions about this exercise or some other exercise that you might be experiencing a little bit of pain with, or just aren't getting the gains that you're looking for, then let me know what your question is by leaving it down in the comment section below, and I'll get to it in a future video. And before you leave, make sure you let me know you appreciate and enjoyed what I shared with you today by hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel so you never miss out on any of the tips and routines I'll be hooking you up with here in the future. And do not forget to grab your free gift that I put together for you that will help you get ripped up and maintain your size and power by clicking on that book image that you see right over there. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler out.